people. So, there was this movie released, The Social Network, and it's been quite a while that it's been released, and it's based on the life of Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook and Instagram and all. So, I really have to say this, yeah, The Social Network has been made with a very definite bias against Mark Zuckerberg. I mean, he's almost shown in a very poor light. That was my impression of the film when I saw it. When in fact, when you really study the life of Mark Zuckerberg and the kind of charity he's done and all, it's just remarkable. So really, people, this particular movie, you can catch it on Netflix. I had seen it on YouTube. It's called The Social Network, and it'll give you an idea of just how a movie can try to color the impression of people with regard to iconic personality. So do watch it, people. The Social Network, it's called, and you can catch it on Netflix. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.